Hi, welcome to Your Mentor YouTube channel. To get the government job, PhD admissions, work from home job, PGT, TGT and assistant professor job notifications, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. So share, like and comment my videos. And in this video, we are going to see the online tutoring jobs or else the work from home jobs notifications from the multiple institutes or the organizations. And any graduates and any postgraduates, even though if you are a fresher or experienced, then here the opportunities are there, and the amount you are going to get is 20,000 rupees per month to 80,000 rupees per month, so depending upon how many hours you are going to spend. Okay, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities in this pandemic situation. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more videos or notifications like this, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon and watch this video until the end to get the multiple institutions job recruitment notifications. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so I'm going to show you the 4 different institutes job recruitment notifications, guys. So all these things are I collected from the Indeed only. Fine. So out of the 4, so here the first one we're going to see is the academic coordinator. So here it is the Vidzones Academic of Media and Design. So Bangalore, Karnataka, and you can earn 3 lakh to 4 lakh rupees a year. So the roles and responsibilities are given here. So point of contact for students and in charge of operations, managing the student portal and scheduling the classes online, providing the attendance reports, in charge of academic documentation and manage the students' data. So all these things are there. And whatever the skills required are excellent oral and written communication skills and the positive problem solving can do approach. And the strong communication skill in the MS Office, particularly excellent the Google Sheets and coordinate between the departments, and the capacity to do actions and the ability to plan and make decisions and successful time management, and the experience 0 to 2 years and education masters, and the job type is the full time, and the salary is 3 lakh to 4 lakh rupees per year, and the schedule is the day shift, and education masters is preferred. So work experience 1 year is preferred. Even though if you're the fresher, then no problem, you can apply, guys. And here the speak with the employer, so here the employer contact number is also provided that you may check down. Okay. And coming to the next one is pre-primary grade teacher it is. So it is also from Bangalore and it is a Sherwood High. So we are searching for the well-organized, qualified and committed candidate to join our excellent faculty as a pre-primary teacher for the academic year 2022 to 23. So skill requirements, so proven experience as a teacher with minimum 3 to 5 years of teaching in the Montessori method with a pleasing personality, boundless energy and enthusiasm to work with young children. And here, yeah, these are all the points given. And coming to the education and all, so graduate with bachelor's degree in education or else the NTT or equivalent degree in the teaching young children. So excellent communicator and should possess the good interpersonal skills. Okay, and so here the payment is not mentioned. So if you are having this qualification, then you can proceed with this one. So you may search out, okay, Sherwood High Indeed in the Google itself. Fine. And while coming to the next one is also the academic counselor from Val-Ed Global Programmers, okay, programs, and it is also from Bangalore. So 20,000 to 35,000 rupees per month will be available. And the smart and dynamic people, excellent verbal communication and must able to speak at English communication, and ability to work in low supervision but high ownership environment. So 1 to 2 years of experience in education or the tech sales, and what they are expecting to do, so that one also provided. So after joining, you will undergo an intensive training program and follow up a leads generated through the various sources, and to analyze the interest of the parents as well as understanding their needs, so promote and market the company. So full-time permanent, and 20,000 to 35,000 rupees per month will be available. So job type is full-time, regular or permanent. Okay, and the rotational shift. Education bachelor's is preferred, experience 1 year preferred, and academic counseling 1 year will be preferred. Language English is preferred, and here the contact number is also provided, and it is posted just 1 day ago. Okay, and coming to the next one is the subject matter expert from Polus Technologies. So it is 80,000 rupees per month from Bangalore, and here the reasoning faculty are required. So provide a variety of learning materials and resources for use in educational activities, and yeah, so here the industry is education, functional area teaching, education or the training. So role category is teachers, and good communication skills required. So 2 to 4 years of teaching and education, any graduate. Okay, and so for this one the postgraduates are not required. So they clearly mentioned for the subject matter expert in Polus Technologies, the postgraduates are not required. But even though if you are having the graduation, then based upon that graduation you can apply. Okay. So these are all the points they're given, guys, and here also they're given the full-time and permanent, and 80,000 rupees per month, and the counselor, mentor, trainer, okay, advisor, educator, teaching, and the day shift, evening shift, and the flexible shift is also provided. And the supplement pay also will be there. That means if you work for the overtime, then the overtime payment also will be there. And yeah, so these are all the total different recruitments, guys. So for whatever the recruitment, if you want to apply, so based upon that company name, so just and the designation name, search out in the Google, okay, with Indeed keyword, okay, and then automatically will be directed to those things. Fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those departments. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get more notifications like this, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who wants to apply for this position, so all the best to you guys. Thank you very much and Jai Hind.